You really don't have to look far to see how messy this truck is. Got a lot of garbage here, and then you've got this headliner that is currently on its way out. The seat needs to be wiped down, and the glass is going to be very gently wiped down because I don't want to cut my fingers. Okay, so this angle is, I don't know, kind of the worst. I'm sorry about that, but we're gonna make it work somehow, some way. So first things first, even before I clean out all the garbage in here, I'm going to attempt to take this headliner out because that's gonna make a huge mess. And you know what? That's disgusting. Yay! Gross. Forget the angle. We're just gonna get after it here. Sorry the lighting is so terrible, but that's what it looks like from this side, so that's all rust. So now I'm just gonna pull it from this other side, and hopefully it is gonna give pretty easily on the other side, just like it did on this one. I wonder how much rust is okay to inhale. Alrighty. Woo! Sorry, got a little bit of a spider problem here. Nailed him. All right, got myself a nice crusty pair of scissors. Just tear into it, come on. There we go. Come on. Channel your inner Hulk. Oh my, is that? Yes, it is. It's a very, very thick spider web, which is never a good sign. Hopefully it's too cold to have much of a problem. There we go. All right, so we got a decent chunk of nastiness. That's good. Now can I just pull this through? I wonder, or is it bolted in? I don't know. May or may not need a tetanus shot after this. I already cut through my gloves somehow. This is high quality entertainment right here. I'll get back with you. Oh. Okay, we're back to this angle, because hopefully this way I won't have a shower of rust and dirt and goodness knows what else raining down the back of my neck. And there we are, ladies and gentlemen. One disgusting headliner removed. Okay, from here on out, the lighting will hopefully be a lot better. This trash can is possibly too full for this, but let's just see how it goes. Oh, hey, that might be important. It's part of the floor. Why would you need that? Direct access to the ground as it goes by. Like a real good way to lose a toe or something, I don't know. I'm just gonna grab the vacuum and see if we can make this look a little bit better. Okay, next step we're going to do the windows very carefully because, again, I don't want to cut myself. Just gonna spray down. So we're just sort of polishing the inside and outside of the window, making it look a little bit better. Ugh. Moving right along, I'm going to wipe down the seat. And ooh, check it out, another spider. Wonder how many are in this thing. Unfortunately, my camera stopped recording around this time. So this is the final footage of what I did on our landmark 56. I hope this video was at least a little bit entertaining for you guys, and we will see you back again for the next part of this journey.